Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you can see here, we have a thunderstorm. This is our last thunderstorm of the year. As you see that lightning there, I'm vlogging this instead of wind chimes. So you can see the lightning. I remember back then we used to do this. But yeah, I decided to film a video of the thunderstorm that I wanted. I knew there was going to be a thunderstorm, and I knew if I close my eyes right now, I can imagine summer. Because normally thunderstorms come in the summer and fall. Yeah, this is how it's like. See right there? I like it. So I'm gonna film this video for a while. I wonder if I could just stand here and just film it. The lightning. Let's film the lightning in 3, 2, 1. I wasn't even bright enough. Where is the lightning? Hello, lightning, where are you? Yeah. I'm making a wind chimes later on. I just wanted to film this little video of the thunderstorm. The wind chime video will come next day. Well, that was a nice one. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I gotta come with plans how to make a wind chime though. Now, wind chime, I'm just thinking about it right now as I'm filming this video. It's supposed to be windy too, so I'm gonna be filming some windy videos too. But yeah, lightning. But yeah, thank you for watching the little lightning show. I mean, it's not really a lightning show, it's a thunderstorm. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Just waiting for this last lightning to hit. Come on, lightning. End our show off. Thank you. Feel free to subscribe if you know anyone in or around the community. Tell them to please subscribe. Share this on any social media platform. And I'll see you on the wind chime video. Thank you.